Number 5. Okay, dear children. Pass necessary journal entries in the following cases. A very good question, dear children. Point A is given. Creditors worth 85,000 accepted 40,000 cash and investment worth rupees 43,000 in full settlement. So children, creditor is a liability and creditor is accepting 43,000 in full settlement of their claim and 40,000 cash they accept. It means we have paid, firm has paid only rupees 40,000 to the creditors. So we will pass entry for question number 5. Point number A, realization account debit. To bank account. And how much? Only 40,000 is paid. So we will pass entry only for 40,000. Rest of the creditors are settled with asset. Okay, dear children. Being cash paid to creditors. Okay, very important point. Second point B, creditors were 16,000. They accepted machinery valued 18,000 in settlement of their claim. What entry we pass, children? Creditor is a liability and machinery is a asset. Is an asset. Both are transferred in
And no
realization.
entry.
There is
No
no
entry.
entry. No entry because both assets and liabilities are already transferred in realization account. Okay, this is what the reason. So you need to write here no entry because both asset and liability are already transferred to realization account. Okay, let's see third point. Point C. Creditors were 90,000. They accepted building valued 120 and paid cash to the firm. How much? 30,000. So 90,000 is liability and building 120. So 90 to 90 is settled and for 30 they are paying cash to the business, to the firm. So if cash is received by the firm, only 30,000. Rest of the asset and liability is settled. So we pass entry only for 30,000. Okay. They have given cash. So we write here cash account debit to realization account. 30,000. Being cash received for building. I hope this point is clear to everyone. Yes, dear children.
Yes, sir.
Let's see one more question. All these questions are very good. Question number 6. Pass the journal entries for the following at the time of dissolution of a firm. Sale of asset 50,000. Children, when we sell asset, what we receive?
Cash or check. Cash.
Okay. Cash, check, bank. So we can write first entry, bank account debit to realization account. Cash is received. Okay, how much? 50,000. So 50,000 cash is received by selling of assets. Being cash received by selling of asset. Okay, then let's see second one. Payment of liabilities 10,000. Cash is going out 10,000. So what entry we pass at the time of dissolution? Realization account debit to bank account. How much? 20,000. Being liabilities paid. Isn't it? Cash is going out. Let's see. Third entry. C. A commission of 5% allowed to X, a partner on sale of asset. What is sale of asset? 50,000. What is 5% of 50,000? 5 5 ja 25 means 2500. Commission allowed to partner X. What entry we pass? Realization account debit to X capital account. 2500. 5% of 50,000. Okay, dear children. Being commission allowed to partner X. I hope this is clear to everyone. Let's see one more point. D point. Realization expenses were 15,000 and the firm had agreed with Amrit to reimburse him 10,000. Children, the meaning of reimburse means repay. Reimburse means repay. So who will repay? Firm will repay. Firm is repaying to Amrit. It means it is Amrit's responsibility to pay. And firm is paying only 10,000 for realization expense to Amrit. Okay. So entry will be realization account debit to Amrit's capital account. How much? Only 10,000 because firm is saying that firm will reimburse up to 10,000. Firm will reimburse up to 10,000 realization expense. Being realization expense credited to Amrit's capital account. Okay. Point number 5. Let's see. Z, a debtor whose account of 6,000 was written off as bad earlier. It means it is bad debt which was declared earlier. Paid 60%. So tell me, cash is coming in the business or going out? He has paid. It means cash is coming in the business. So what entry we pass? Cash account debit to realization account. 60% of 6,000 is 3,600. Being bad debts recovered. I hope it is clear. Yes, children. Let's see one
Yes,
more.
sir.
Investment book value 10,000, realized 150%. So tell me how much money is received? 15,000 is received, isn't it? So what we write? Cash account debit to realization account. One thing is to be noticed, my dear children, in the chapter of dissolution and in these journal entries, In most of the cases, either realization account is debited or realization account is credited, or capital account is debited or capital account is credited, or cash account is debited or cash account is credited. Only these three things are debiting and crediting. Remember, cash is debit, cash is credit. Relation debit, relation credit. Capital debit, capital credit. In major cases, most of the cases. Yes or no? If you notice, if anybody notice, all these entries are similar. Not very much difficulty. Next point. Realization
Magic.
expenses were 10,000. Okay. The firm had agreed with Krishan, a partner, to reimburse him up to 7,500. Again, the same entry, I think, isn't it, children? Repay. So, relation to Krishan. Seventh, realization account debit to Krishan's capital account. How much? 7,500. 7,500.
Sir,
Being, yes,
sir, if expenses were less and the payment which was reimbursed to the partner was more, so
whatever payment is paid will come here. If you have paid 12,000 now, so here it will come
yes, sir.
12,000. Whatever is reimbursed, that will
Okay, sir.
come. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Being realization expenses reimbursed according to agreement. Okay. So I hope that this question is clear to everyone. Question number 6.